Imagine you're a CEO, juggling 100 tasks a day. Project management software is your lifeline, but with so many options out there, how do you know which one is the right fit? Wrike is a popular project management tool, but how many companies actually use it? Is it a widely adopted solution, or is it a niche player? In this video, we'll dive deep into the numbers and explore the reasons why companies choose Wrike. We'll also discuss some potential drawbacks and alternatives. Research methodology. To answer the question, how many companies use Wrike? We'll employ a combination of methods. First, we'll analyze publicly available data from sources like G2, Capterra, and Software Advice. These platforms often provide user reviews and company size information. Second, we'll conduct a survey targeting businesses of various sizes to gather first-hand insights into Wrike usage. Finally, we'll reach out to Wrike's public relations team for any official figures or statements about their user base. Wrike user base analysis. Based on our research, it appears that Wrike has a significant user base. G2 reports that over 20,000 companies have reviewed Wrike, with a majority rating it highly. This suggests a large number of satisfied customers. Capterra and Software Advice also list Wrike as one of the top project management tools, indicating that it's a popular choice among businesses of all sizes. Reasons for Wrike's popularity. Why is Wrike so popular? Let's explore some of the key reasons. User-friendly interface. Wrike is known for its intuitive interface, making it easy for users to learn and use, even for those without extensive technical experience. Robust feature set. Wrike offers a wide range of features, including task management, time tracking, collaboration tools, and reporting capabilities, catering to the diverse needs of different teams. Scalability. Wrike can accommodate businesses of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises. It can scale to handle complex projects and large teams. Integration capabilities. Wrike integrates seamlessly with other popular business tools, such as Google Workspace, Microsoft Teams, and Salesforce, enhancing its value and efficiency. Potential drawbacks and alternatives. While Wrike offers many benefits, it's important to consider potential drawbacks. Pricing. Wrike's pricing plans can be relatively expensive for small businesses or teams with limited budgets. Steep learning curve. While the interface is generally user-friendly, some advanced features may require a steeper learning curve. Limited customization. While Wrike offers customization options, it may not be as flexible as some other tools when it comes to tailoring the platform to specific workflows. If you're considering Wrike but find it's not the right fit, here are some popular alternatives. Asana. Known for its clean interface and powerful automation features. Trello, a visual project management tool that uses boards, lists, and cards to organize tasks. Monday.com offers a highly customizable platform with a variety of templates and integrations. So, how many companies use Wrike? While it's difficult to provide an exact number, our research indicates that Wrike has a substantial user base, particularly among businesses seeking a robust and user-friendly project management solution. Ultimately, the decision of whether Wrike is the right choice for your company depends on your specific needs and preferences. Consider factors such as pricing, features, and ease of use when making your decision. If you're interested in learning more about Wrike or exploring other project management options, be sure to check out the links in the description below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.